Hey, what's up? This is my son with all that hair. Come on now. What's up with that? He wants me to brush it into a ponytail for him. So I'm going to get off of here and brush his hair into a ponytail. Come on, what all this hair? Oh my goodness, it's like a wig almost. Look all that hair on his head. But anyway, I'm going to brush it into a ponytail for him. So you stay tuned. Anyway, what do you think about guys with real long hair? I think actually it's cute. It's nice looking. I like it, me myself. I think if a guy gave it to you, grow it and show it off. Where you going? I'll be back. Let me get this ponytail. Can I do the ponytail on video? You can't do the ponytail on video? Why not? Alright, can't give him a ponytail on video, but stay tuned and I shall return. A mother's job is never done.